One of my favorite MagicSchool tools to use is the vocabulary-based text tool. What this tool allows you to do is to input sight words, vocabulary words into MagicSchool, and then what MagicSchool will do is will create a text for you. It can either be a nonfiction text, it can be a fun fictional story, whatever it is that you want, MagicSchool will create it for you. So to get to this fabulous tool, when you are in MagicSchool under Teacher Tools, you can see there's a lot of different tools that you can search through, but the easiest way to find this vocabulary-based text tool is just in your search box at the top. Just start typing in vocabulary and it'll give you some matching tools, and I'm going to choose vocabulary-based text for this. And so the next screen, what you're going to do is you're going to select your grade level. I am going to select first grade. And then you also want to tell MagicSchool how long you want the text to be. I find that the paragraph is pretty short. Even though they are first graders, I do want them to read more than maybe a few sentences. So right now I'm going to choose a page, and I can always go back and change it if I think it's too long, too short, whatever it is. Okay. Vocabulary to include, here is where you can just copy and paste your vocabulary words. You do have to put a comma between them. So I have a list here that I pulled from my curriculum container, and I'm just going to post those there. You can, if you have your vocabulary in a file already, you can upload it in your Google Drive, but these were just listed in a text with a whole bunch of other text, and I just wanted to pull those words. So copy and pasting is the easiest. Topic of text, here is where I'm going to tell MagicSchool what kind of text I wanted to produce. So I want this to be a fun fictional story because it is my first graders that are reading them. So please, I always ask MagicSchool nicely, please create a fun, fictional story. And then if I want to change that, I can. And then here under file, you can add a file if you want. To me, it's just easier. I'm just telling it exactly what I want. And then when I am done, I'm going to choose generate. And here is then where it's going to come up with my fun fictional story. So it gave me quite a bit, which is awesome. This is about the length that I wanted. And it has my words listed at the top, and I can read through it, and I can see, okay, it is repeating a lot of the words. I can tell MagicSchool if it's not repeating the words enough. I can tell it right here, please repeat the words at least 2 to 3 times each. So I can go in here and look at it, and if I want to tweak it, all I do is just tell MagicSchool down in my message box what I want. I'm going to ask MagicSchool, please add the following words. Let's see. I'm just going to type in a few words, and then I'm going to tell MagicSchool to recreate that story, and it'll recreate a similar story to it, but now you can see it added those few words that I added to the story. So when I find that the story is exactly how I want it, I have some options below that I can do things with it. The first one I do want to show you though is edit. If I find that, there is a grammatical error or there's a punctuation error, always review what MagicSchool creates for you. Don't assume that it is 100% accurate. Sometimes it is not. So if I want to edit the message underneath here, I can go in now and I can add, punctuation, fix a grammatical error, whatever it is, and then click save, and it'll save that new version. So the other options when it is done is to copy my message. So I can just copy this and paste it into where I want it to go. I can export this if I want to export it to Google Docs or Word. I can do that. Do be careful on the next screen when you click that. that you choose selected resource, it'll just export the last passage that it provided me. If I choose full thread, it's going to choose everything, my message back to MagicSchool, the original story, all of that, and you don't want all of that. So you can export that if you want, you can print it, translate, all these other options that you have. I hope that you find this tool as helpful as much as I do.